Okay.
Before we continue with our balloon session, I just want to say one of the most crucial things a balloon artist can have is a nice hamper, because this allows us to pre-twist balloons and store them so that, like, when at the end of the day when we have a really long line, we can hand out all the pre-twists that we made, shortening the line, allowing us to leave on time. Sometimes we'll also have a white balloon in here, and the white balloon will say end of line, and we have them we have our line pass it back to the last person, and then that person is stuck with the awful job of telling any parent that comes up, being like, sorry, this is the end of the line. So,
and here's the more important thing, this got a side pocket.
Side pocket, yeah, so you can store all sorts of Gatorades, drinks, magazines. Oh, you got like a little pump too. Yeah. I carry juggling balls on my balloon twisting gigs, and I'll put the juggling balls in the bottom of the bin. That way the wind doesn't blow it away. Yep. It's very smart. We're smart people.
We are.
So that's just this little video about the bag. We really like these things. They cost about $5 on Amazon. Link in the description, I guess. I'm probably not gonna put a link in the description. Nobody ever clicks the links.
Yeah.
There is a small...
Wait, how do you know whether they click on the link?
Oh, because I see the analytics, and the analytics say people don't click on the links. So, you know, if you're a balloon twister, go out, get your own bin, and if you wanna like tip us, you go to clowncare.com/tip. And that's how we'll accept monies.
They can tip us?
They can tip us.
For watching us?
For watching us. If they learn something, they might feel inclined to compensate us for the knowledge that we spew at them.
We would really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Especially me.
Yeah. When you tip, you can say this goes to Rama or this goes to Peter. All right.
Forget about Peter.
Or this goes to both of us. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Great.